Baby G has the hiccups. Maybe they're gone. Nope. Maybe if I go, boo, boo, you can scare him out of you. Nope, they're there. Holy moly, baby. You get the hiccups a couple times a day. It's weird because I always feel them down here on my left. But the whole belly shakes. And sometimes I feel you stretch like you're getting annoyed with them. They are pretty annoying. Jake's coming to see what's going on. What, you want to see the baby have hiccups? No, I just want to bite your elbow. I just want to sniff and bite your elbow. Lick it a little bit and then bite it. Jerk.